So you call the catch up. Open and online. Okay. Um no, no makes sense. So for creating grid, they start back. All man know grid for now, right? Grid are like a leveler. Fine. For you like at least make a precision when you lay out the things then. Yes, sir. Yeah. So like if you go to the file on your laptop, just go to the copier, can paste that. So if you come to layout, you press grid, only will level like we already know the grid we want because we don't put on top of YouTube your design, we don't see any grid they use. 4 column grid, 16 with gutter, 16 with margin, perfect. Is there this image? I don't understand. Oh, half a gear frame. Oh, you just right click para. So something like a frame selection. To select the picture, right click para, they use this option, then you get frame. Yep, that's it. So back to the grid. Change that to color. Oh, sorry, now they start one more time. Last one. So Kaya on the layout, press plus. You click for default grid. On a 8 by 8 grid. On a name grid. Or you change that to column. The default column na 5 degree. For edit and more, you click this option here at the left. Now you will change that to 4. The first time, the amount of column you want, 4. The second side and the color. Like this color, like no need for standard because on top of the design, now just like a blueprint how for Lele we build in blocks them, like Lego, or like how the machine that they use the rope how for Lele blocks them, right? So no need for be too bright. Why make I too bright? I will make I know if I like the right thing I they do. So make the color left so. Type of green and stretch. The width automatic. Whatever I put in and they stretch to itself. So the margin is space from the edge and a margin. So like if na column grid, since column are up to down, so the space from the edge will be left and right. If na be row grid, since going from left to right, the space from the edge will be up and down. Fine. So since na column, whatever space we give from the edge, and from left to right. I just add a 1 1, make una sign it increase. And 16 at the go. When I see space from the edge, how it increase? 16. Gutter and the space between the graded. So like last week, I'm gonna shortcut have a count gutter. Like if now 4 column, whatever amount of column we get, minus 1, and the amount of gutter we get. So when we get 4 column grid, we got an a 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sense? So like if you get one street, why you get two gutter? Anybody do I explain? Like you get one road where you get two gutter, one left, one right. Like how the road that they get two gutter, each road get two gutter on the side. Why that they happy? Compared to what I just explained. I say what the amount of column where you get minus 1 and the amount of gutter you forget. So if you get like 4 column, they get 3 gutter. So if you get like one road and street, why you get two gutter? Yeah, because the margin, not to gutter. Space from the edge and margin. I just want to see if anybody they catch am. Then the gutter, according to what Google do now, and 16, when we don't check am. So make back the gutter 16. So now done so. When you create a column grid, 4 column, 16 margin, 16 gutter. You know the able to picture column, and a one. So what I do, while listing is still as picture, I'm going to delete the frame. Fine. Ordinary picture. So you know we give this column. You need to make our first to a frame. So I will tell you to right click para and say frame selection and then turn to frame. Now this here will be color. So since now frame now is selected, now you see previously we not to be frame, you know be style layout option there. Yep. So when you turn out to frame, And you see that option. These are just for make I be see what which kind of layout I be use. I make I be make so. Perfect. So now since we don't get, I will continue. So we want to define column grid, right? The first thing we create, um, what the first one I'm create? With all kind of elements, we create this card, or we create this nav bar, or we create the badges there, or we create this up here from the top. Okay. So the first one at the title bar, you get four elements. The first one a logo, the next thing icon. Easy, right? Everybody understand that. So we need one logo and three icons. So I dey just can't find any plugin with name logo. I don't know maybe una for move or actually if you can. Nice. I'm seeing everyone clearly. Oh, this one dey really lazy work. I want to see if you plug in the way they for logos. I don't know if you do, I just a search. You got one logo. So um um mine is this first one. I wanna okay, in get logo there. So in name na icon doc. ICONDUCK. Go on our plugins, you search for icon doc and open it. Doc. Not to doc go. Doc. Then this window they will be able to move on any side. So if you didn't before you decide, you just move on the side, may not disturb you. Yep. So icon doc with this friend YouTube the logo. Or you can just go online, go to the YouTube logo counter. You don't need to be the same. Whatever work for you. But how would they use an icon doc? Unfortunately, not get YouTube logo. Oh, you actually get. When I search, nothing appear. So the logo we want now this horizontal, this long logo. If you not see the exact one, we just pick any way they will move on. Um, mm, Anybody knows here? Nice. We see it when we get there. But so at the closer back and start. So when you come to plugins, this section, switch out to plugins and widgets. It no matter, but just switch out. Then search for icon, ICON, no space, and doc. Yep, and this one I use. Or any other one if you be search or work, as long as in the key logo. Now search for YouTube. So when I say like how plugins is save time, I bet one try to explain plugin, but I not they make sense. I will just go over and over. Imagine if you go on the internet, go find YouTube logo, pull the background and counter inside. But now inside, we just find a plugin with the green logos, which are easy to move on. Fine. And the essence and importance of plugins are this. Now I find YouTube and it's there again. Search now. Uh, when I search you may do just now, now say no day. Patient. So I dey go with this. Not to the same, but you get the play. I go with it, right? Yep. Yeah, anyone. Oh my god. Who said the icon there? Oh, click on. I want click and drag, not be the work. No, just click and you can inside the frame. So what longer YouTube logo? I will not reach it. Just bring the logo. So the next icon. So another important tip, like just have all the resources there together, the design. Yep. So this na live stream. Oh my god. No, no, this is bad. Maybe cast. Perfect. So we don't get the cast. So the second icon here, a cast I search for. Then the next icon, notification. And it take time for search, Nabiara. Maybe this. This look familiar. Yep. Then the next one, search. Funny, they use search for search for search. Yep. Now see, another overthink. I just take the first hour. See, want to. I know some managers now. Why me find the best one? Okay. Hope nobody not do that there. So when go icon there. Oh my god. Oh my friend want all the icon over for use. Seems not still a search. The next one are this history. It not look like history to me. Okay, just take anyone. No matter. So I go with this for history. Then the next one YouTube shorts. When I short that, shorts. The notification. This are notification. This na search. This na cast. This na history. I never get the exact icon, but you are this way in the book. What is this? That's coming. Ah, Papa God. And then we see shorts. Oh, I like it. Okay, wait. We just find another version of YouTube logo. Maybe this. It's red. But just use this. Then me history or search for all us. History. Maybe you. Perfect. Cast. Any smart thing I not see it. I cast. Maybe broadcast. I cast Bimbo. Search for broadcast. Then, okay, the icon I adore. So search for home, for navbar. Home, short note, plot, add, subscriptions, then avatar. When we actually start, just use the same icon and get repeat over and over. When you go now, you will change them. So at least we able to design this card before time done. Which type home they use? This look like iOS icon. Who cares? Hey, so men and brethren, you get limit to you just be select it, delete. Now that reach me limit. Now go to another plugin. I go for that one. Search. No, it's you. Maybe icon 8. Yeah, icon 8 I've used that before. It should be free. And the work you reach limit just now. So now see if a better history icon there. Um, this is mad. Wait, I need for narrow down me search. This thing, material design. Huh? Another person. Oh yeah. If you actually want this code, just kaka copy the icon, go put up your own design. If you don't get access to the file, can it work easier? You can copy the icon, go paste that where you go. That's a good idea. One, you don't understand? You like other man can comment by the work. You can, the icon you can copy, go paste that to the file. So how they find it, you just can take a also cut a copy, the duplicate. Look at delete Twitter and string of it. So next, the one they are there, offend them back. Yep. Huh? Yeah, it was his. Which one? This? History. Or you know get history. Mm. Oh boy. This now icon 8 I dey use now. If anybody wants switch, you are welcome. Oh, he's paid. Fortunately. Okay. Hopefully they work. Yeah, this I don't used to click and drag. So I don't see YouTube shorts. I need home. Um, is a house. Oh my god, this is bad. Okay, I just go the first one. No, I need the fill one. Sorry. And this I need. The next one, icon 8. If for say icon 8. Like minimum up here literally on our plugin. Yeah. The icons, yes. This one. This. YouTube shorts. On the icon 8 to open I know better. This. Uh this is an ad. So how do me do? History. I know people get and this mean get. Oh, how about I change the color? Since I know I get that for use later. So I just change the color. This icon 8. Yeah. ICONS and 8. You get access to the file, just can copy whatever they count. I'm free. I'm not charging for it. Then the next one, YouTube Shorts, I get Shorts, add, should be easy to find. Yep, you. No, add supposed to be white. Sorry. Icon 8. Yeah. Huh? Icon any number, but the icon get S. Wait, it's not supposed to be hard to offend. I just don't know why people is struggle small. The next one are subscriptions. Now it is getting tough. Okay, this look like subscriptions. And the next one, I say avatar or user. Give me your own picture. We use your own picture then. Yeah, this will use it. Yep. Oh my god. I need to change the background in color. And the black icons in it show well. Markers read. So we can start now since we got all the foreign resources. A comment. Support the comment. Any questions? Like we take like 5 minutes wait for question before class start. Are not we waiting? The grid or left and right? Yeah, important. I just know if I can just use my AI in design and now from there. You just use me AI in layout, up and down more important. If you like, you add row grid on top the column grid. You know bad back. Any questions? Like water, they don't get dispenser done. You need to take water. Like we go on 5 minutes break. You go now, you need miss nothing. If one go wet, one sleep, you go now do you go jog up and down, come back. Huh? Why? Mistake. I got change them. So Mawa, what do you want to decide if you change the keyboard or not? And how the problem I will solve now.
I just want gun that will connect my niche.
So wait, una we get problem for search for icon 8. Like you can have plugins and widgets for now that you search. Then icon 8. Maybe spell away. Icons and number 8. There is no way they know will show you. Then we get background remover, they get icons. Now this first one. Open that, then you our add home. for be fill. Is it home? This doesn't look like home to me. Or the search now. Any questions so far? Any questions? Backspace. Select the object and press backspace. How many people are in here though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mawa. How many go Musa?
They notice calling for that have the money wash. They see 16 million, 9 they go and make it. That's then a small market account. Get later with it.
You see bit square?
This can not and that's it. It's going to eat in the packet. But the account still get wash. That's in a blue. I don't get almost 50 but that's it. I think it's a minimum.
100 million.
And that's a nice in a life.
Only 100 million.
Because they get UK account and that in leisure account because we are possibly know about it. So in the Islamic that time we see the ledger, most of the time you know mostly I said I that's it. Let me follow that. That's what you know. 50 million. That's how I like it. That's it. Let me pay you. That's a bit spending the same plastic.
I don't see her, so yeah, for search your compass. Huh? I use icon doc when limited. Then I go to icon it. I drag so many icons, it means I don't reach my limit. So compass there. Even think of that. Okay. I just want the direction I want. No, what the feel I want. Outline out. Oh, icon 8 can get difference. Is there two compass there? Are the same? Fine. Like are the same image, but there are two different type. I get fill and I get outline. Like feel like massive na color remove the painter inside. Why outline just I don't know more. You just get border and you don't get fill inside. Now the outline for use according to the image. So I make me say that I feel at first color, don't change your back. So you see like when I see in navigation, all the icon and outline pass the home and I feel. But shows in a home you did. Like when you take text, you bold that, or make it show say this and that is the title. So I so like you use fill by icons. So icon is like flexible, able to specify when I feel you want outline. So and a material design I take because the Android design. If you go take iOS, you can put up Android and it look nice. We can start now. These people make answer again. Okay, we'll continue. So we don't get icons then. What the icon there, right? If you not get go to Discord, click the file, cancel, I can copy the whole, put it by work. That's easy. Advantage for in a Discord. Okay. So we start now. We really title, right? So an image, now don't change me mind. I'll be just say logo. No, logo, text. This is not the text, right? I don't get this kind of font. Or they use anyone. Use anyone. So as this layout, if it disturb you anytime, just select the frame. Under layout, you see you get AI. When you click a layout, it loss. When you click a back in the cam. And once you delete, so you might know so the AI. If it disturb you. For me, I like also. So we dey start up here. The first thing we need here, a logo. If na like AI for AI one design for, no like when you dey primary school one draw, find drawing, they take the textbook, you put paper under there, they draw on top the textbook, they later draw up at the paper, like sketch. You can do our work na UI. If you want like the exact icon, just put her. Now so in the bend. So if you tell what reduce out and you must banner. For prevent that while you dey reduce a whole shift, hold, not to press so. So when you hold, I know we're not doing the bend. You always straight. So reduce a mini at this size. Okay, almost perfect. They'll cut back to a design. The whole shift while anything they reduce, whole shift while they reduce. Then the next thing I will text. Whether they guess how to do text, how to write text. Go to the text too. So this is like title text and just one line. So to box they make you just a click once. Type YouTube, capital YOU, capital TUBE. The font face while they use an internet changer. Just stick with it. So inter use maybe the bold. Too much, but change the font size to something like 24. I just I know they say. I'm not too far off. Pretty close. Then also a dark mode we design for. So for change the entire frame to black. We are not understanding it. Select the frame name. Then you see fill. Only for watch because I'm not explain this about change color it. So I want change. This is the background are black, right? All things are black. So I want change this back to black. So I select the frame, count to fill, change the color, and select. Manually, you able to pick for yourself color. So select something black. See, easy, right? So now black text on top black background, that makes sense. So now change the text back to white. I wish I knew the font with this. Font place. Left and so. Everybody don't do it? Nope. Just do it easy, easy. Then the next one, a cast. And the cast supposed to be white. A black cast I carry it. So because the cast na image, it's maybe not to image. Yeah, not to image. Thank God. You lost? Maybe University of YouTube. After this class, you need to go there. But you don't point. Just reduce the icon, the right text nearer. Not for right text, right? So while I reduce, I hold shift. If you're not going to remember, size, font typeface. So yeah, select the typeface, select the text. How about that typography? Also, I see number, you just manipulate the number. So, yeah. So now that I want to explain, like size, width and height. So every element is a width and height. Be it text, get width and get height. Be it an icon, get width and get height. Be it a frame, get width. Be it a picture, anything get width and height. So like that icon there, like for show consistency, make they all get the same height. You just can't edit the height manually. For example, I just get at 24. You see, when I see this chain in lock, right? So when I reduce the width, the height back they reduce proportionally. How to explain that? Like if they beg you 2 leons for lunch, they beg you small border 1 leons. The next year, if they increase my lunch proportionally, they bring you 4 leons, in a bring you 2 leons proportionally. I mean, the next guy bring you 4 leons, in a bring you 3 leons, not proportional. Fine. They all they grow together and they reduce together. So I change that to 24. Icon 8. So I reduce the height to 24. So all the icon already being inside the height are 24. Would I get lost before I continue? Okay. We can just play with the leader out first. Yeah. Anyway, I use, me and inter use. The default to our meet, inter. Then make a bold. Then if you come back typography class, we'll talk about something like letter spacing. The space between the letters there, I reduce that to -6. By default, as it may look like. So I reduce the letter spacing, as soon they get choked. So that means one icon, the next one notification, um, change them to white. I mean, reduce this to 24. All the height are 24 they get it. This is bad. No, 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 no. So I use the scale tool. The move tool obviously didn't work. So okay. If I'm not explaining this, I need to adjust this. So again, the move tool and the scale tool. Remember what I talk about that. So like for reducing exercise, if I use the move tool here, as soon they look like the icon they continue for them bump one. I will manually count to stroke, I can reduce here later, but instead change this move tool to scale tool. So when you the reducer, in the reduce proportionally. So even the I'll be situation I can end up in bump one, short and bump. Now short and dry, I'm be the big one. Basically, what I mean. So the heights are 24. Wow, guess I was wrong. So the heights are in the second, so the height are 20 and the heights are the change. Make the all get like the same height. What other laws? Because I see some people watch me like say, now French at the talk. Okay, one. What else laws? Two. You? You didn't hear. You understand, eh? Pest bodies. Helper. Okay, wait. What I do, I just lay out the icon exactly how we see this. Since we all don't get the icon there, take the icon, this is size small like this, and lay outside to see this. So this there, and there, this there, and there. I make a baby all the icon was inside. Now we only resize and pack yourself for them. So do one icon, one text, one icon, one icon, one icon. The later I cash out for group them all together. So now we do just release the icon. No need for like be perfect like this. Huh? So what me do for me the equal? I they give them all the same height. When I'm 20, maybe I need for add that small. I add that small to 24. So perfect. I just tell them I used to make one do it, then now me just do it. Okay. So I'm maybe 24. Then next step I'm for like change the color to white. This back in height instead I get at 24. So they all get the same height. This in height I get at 24. And also the last one for there. So I'm just going to figure out the spacing in between. Okay. I told you out. I don't even know how to begin start what's okay. Everybody lay out the icon so the icon there, they lay it out. Okay, they lay it out now. Your attention for them pay out now when you can lay them out. So why when I lay it here? It's not waiting. This a cast any name or broadcast if you don't see cast. So why don't they do what follow along? Anybody able auto layout? One. What else? I don't say if you sabi user, just say butter. There yeah. Dance here. What else dance here? Very sophisticated design paradigm. That was not fancy enough. So auto layout, I want me to pack for editing automatically. So auto layout. Saying easy, right? It's what I do there. Automatically layout. Uh-huh. So for make I begin pack the gist now, so one, make the straight. Sorry. So probably they move. Why is it doing this? So probably they move there. So you pack here, made any of this, pack here, made any of this. I would this all automatically with auto layout. But when I will undo I show now. In the next not enough time again, sir. Everybody don't do huh? Can you know you do not you just watch me. What you don't do? Look what you don't create from today. I think for drag icon, the online is staying down. Icon the heavy. Any question? Question. Yeah. That means you are not paying attention. We explain it twice. One use the scale tool and reducer. Remember how we talk about scale tool, right? So anything you use with the move tool, the reducer not work. Just undo, switch to scale tool. From now on, moving forward. And undo ever undo so. So another element I want to talk about it are fill and stroke. So I take a detour, I explain a quick. Just did go rectangle. Okay, fill stroke and radius. When I see this box, why not I will draw box here? Just take the box, you can draw box. So you see the box in color, the color fill. Fill na the thing color when you get inside. For change the fill, you count that fill here. So you write at the fill, F-I-L-L. For make it clicker and change the color to what you want. This is a fill. I'm going to put that to me color I like. The next one, the color stroke. Stroke and the thing border there. Right now, I don't get no stroke. Now I see just the fill when they see. But if you can, see the stroke. We now see the stroke, right? We press stroke. You will add stroke. Then you add stroke now when it light. You will add the stroke making tick. We say 1 here. 1. You add that to 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is called stroke. Now let's see how the stroke they work. Eh? So if you ever see something like box, you get another box around that, and this stroke can fill. Then the next one, border radius. Whenever see like box the way the edge not sharp. Fine. So when you do over by the box, you see the small thing that they appear. So if you just click it and drag the car inside, you make the box get border radius. Easy, right? Fine. Yeah, just select the frame name and go to fill and change the color. In name, then fill. The car will change that box in color just now. But I don't use the name fill, but I'm not sure that it now fill. Just assume in all can class last week. Okay. So we're gonna get the layout. We'll do auto layout now. So if not able to layout, what risky option there for use? Select all thing, right click. I don't know if you come out fine or you take the risk. And say suggest auto layout. Not even down there. In there. That's it. Yeah, so this wait. I don't appreciate this because it's in pack already. So if I do something like this, select the all, right click, come to auto layout, more auto layout option, and say suggest auto layout. It's supposed to pack them for you. Although not do that when the idea that so you want to like you do you will actually once I go auto layout like a teacher now. So auto layout like about group things here together in just in very important one like responsive design. Like when you design per phone, one design now the desktop version of YouTube, you can just stretch her, anything they go side of a go. But when I go to layout, when you stretch her, just scatter all over the place. Anyone don't understand? No, it don't make sense. Right click on like your two finger together press the mouse. So for example, you know the pack. Because now AI they do it for you. Now if I share for me, manually do it for yourself. Understand? So just pay attention for me now. Please, auto layout complicated, more listen. So one, if one create auto layout for this, we dey group things away related together first. For example, you and your relative are they close, right? Supposedly. Your boss not relate on I now use boyfriend example. Your boss see when I relate are they close. Like your brother are they close compared to how many they close. I lie? Fine. So the icon there, they're all related at the own side. So we just select the all and add auto layout to them. How? You see corner, the shortcut na shift A. I just want to show now sign there. If you forget, corner auto layout. Or you press shift, hold shift, and press A. It's the whole unpack. Now see auto layout important. Just imagine I will add a space in between the all. I can add automatically. Most say will spacing at 24. Or I will add another icon at the end of this. I could just duplicate that. The icon still a in line. You know they go same one go. So like we don't group it all together. Yep. I know it was a bad idea to bring this up, but yeah, just duplicate that. But it need still maintain it go outside. Command D or Control D, duplicate multiple. Now since it is auto layout, even though if I want mistake for pack about like I want push her like up here, the auto layout then allowed me. You push her back inside it. So this make it important. If you want mistake, move her, I know they work. Unless if you move her outside the auto layout, but as long as in the inside, you always they come back. So there three they are related. There two they are self-related. I will select multiple object with click. After I click the first one, hold shift and click the balance. It selects all two. They give themselves auto layout. Okay, this auto layout topic is stress everybody. You don't need for Sabi, just move on. Because you look they confuse everybody face while they watch. Won't move on here. Just lay there, use the eye and lay there straight. They'll move on. Any questions? We don't go through the one by one. This is not search, this is not notification, this is not cast. This is a YouTube shorts, this is a compass, broadcast, then add. Some na icon scout, some na iconate. Well, iconate for the whole thing. Let's continue. Wait, everybody gets something similar like this at least. I like it not be exact. Okay. One. Anybody else? Wait, similar like this. Two. What else? Three. You get a bag? I can either confirm. Why your YouTube now blue? Why YouTube wear blue background? Am I? Okay, screen. So something you call squashing. I explain go now. Why go on attention 1 minute? At least somebody will make the mistake. So when you reduce an add image or icon, oh, this is perfect. I need one who actually is squash. Fine. We'll say this one. Might change. Since na image, if you try for increaser, you can also in the squash also. Or you avoid and hold shift while they increase the other. They make the squash. Emmanuel, I see all images squash. Hold shift while you use the other, the squash. If no hold shift, a mistake end up with also also. Ah, just guys click for say remove layout. Wow. Then maybe not get layout. Or for remove this red line. Yeah, all assignment will get time. Or a screenshot and send Discord. That will bring answer. Discord. I don't know if you did the group. What do you imagine? Any question? Compass, icon 8. Search for compass. We still have icon there. This will run past it by now. Make we move forward now. What's next we design? Hey, this is interesting. And it's not what you myself. What did they go on? You know, say, oh no, this is not the class for you. We don't serve food here. We serve design. We can make restaurant flyer. Go to Adwanda. Go swap our food. We'll continue now. We bake. We bake. Do I put the frame back? If you don't remove, I want put it back. Just add back frame. Frame selection, that's what you call it. We right click on and say frame selection. I don't understand. Okay, wait. Make we do this next. Make we say what to loud to find one. Their badge is there. Move to the next. But if we do the badges the next somewhere in the class, might add other option because everybody look tense. No make what too loud stress. You only for understand. Just put her in work. If no work for you, just pack her yourself manually. Oh my god. Who continue? I'm waiting answer. Okay, wait. This is a design along section. Like the advantage for you, I will make you get exposed to so many things there. So when you go back, you go practice. If we just do this, we stop now. If you go practice now, you don't sabi this. But if you struggle for do this, you struggle for do this, you struggle for do this. When you go practice now, at least you beside the actual do. So you will go ahead and but if you say you get them. So the kind of the purpose. I make we say no anybody just theory now, we go purely to design. So like if you don't understand color, typography, layout, like the first 30 minutes I waste per this. If we don't start as from that time we begin design. Or like most people they can in class, the next thing they can in workshop, we don't forget to teach it last day. I don't know why. Maybe now we don't teach fine or to the note. Yeah. I just making a big class rep now. What is class rep, sir? Where are you class rep again? Oh, Abdul Karim. Are you class rep you talk to so? Kick him out. What a violence! You dey talk to a class rep so? See that over there? Me on in his now. Cut off your Wi-Fi. Okay, mo continue now. Ubeg. Mo learn. Okay, I promise you now. I promise you now this and the simplest for create. This. Man just do it before I make una see. Right. So now I'll get this right. This icon. Now I'll get this right. All man gets are so. I just dey reduce the height to 24 since all my icons are 24 for consistency. I remember we talk about auto layout. Would I remember auto layout? Would I don't understand her? Nobody. Yep. So yeah, you able to understand her. So like you see this in inside box. If this in a box you dey draw, they put the icon inside the not so. You take the icon itself and get auto layout, then give the auto layout color, and so we get to them. So you press Shift A, just the icon, we get auto layout. Now you see the next frame. That frame there, you count that fill, we get a color. The icon are white, so the color will be black now. After we don't get a color, so when I see here, when I see the icon, right? I don't know if it's too small, but I see that up and down. This is specify the space between up and down, while over and left and right. So what me they do? All me icons are divisible by 8 or 4. So like left and right, I could choose for gear 8. Up and down back, I could choose for gear like 4, like half of 8. Then, but if you watch and still not fit by this one, right? Because the edge is the curve, right? And they call it border radius. So now you can choose for gear border radius, where they are, or you're not big enough, save that big day. When you come to border corner radius, how they call it, maybe we get like 4 or 8. It's too much, maybe 4. So I come on between 4 and 8, right? 5, 6, 7, not option for me. I come on 4 and 8. I come on 8 and 12. I come on 12 and 16. So wait, now be the watch. This icon I had to create one easy. See, you know what? Now na one. We can do a practical. Let me show you back the text. When you listen to Liverpool, best thing in the whole world. Can you know if you get him? No can be put unnecessary argument here. The text back, if you get auto layout, as you make button. In back then get you get a fill. Now since it's text and white, the fill will be black. Border radius and 4 we give it just now, so this back now 4. The left and right and 8 we gear, up and down and 4 we gear. So wait, you will watch. To me to you, this is hard for me. Okay, what's my name? Okay, the man there, we will watch. Man to man, this is hard for me. You know what? I'm just like, the first auto will be confusing, but now we don't see like how you make buttons, icons, or auto layout. It's actually very much useful. Imagine the other way around. If now box at all, under field. Remember we explained field before? Yeah. Whatever is select under field, you change the color. I'm not necessarily question. But imagine if now box would go. After you don't go the box, they take the icon, they duplicate this icon here. Take the icon, put it inside this box. In fact, not even this straight. Jesus Christ. I take the icon, put it inside this box manually. Like this, they take time. Then I have to come back and group her if I will move around. This is where I will start her back. Okay, when we are ready for pay attention, we'll start. Oh, not like I want done for design this. Like whatever I design, I want to forget about my machine before we not left here. So my start now. I want to design this. Easy. It's now see we don't do it just now 5 seconds. So we start about from scratch. We don't know for designer. Like 3 steps, 4 steps. So one, we get the icon, eh? We no longer understand this, right? One man didn't get this icon before. What the icon? Then the icon turn out to auto layout. We just hold shift and press A. And the icon then go auto layout. So automatically I see like the icon get big space around that. Now this auto layout, where is my property? Mm, oh, okay. So after we don't get the auto layout, I start back. So select the icon, shift A, get auto layout, then can get fill. Now if you go under fill, it's nice already. You can not get no fill color. Under fill, you press plus. Now the icon are white, background are white. You change the fill to black. No, wait, that is a mistake. So the icon, the icon is supposed to be white, the background is supposed to be black. Okay. So want to black, 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 black. We'll just get this black so they stand out. Then over here, you get something called padding and margin. Margin, we don't talk about a space from the edge, right? So let's talk about padding and margin. Suppose you get this star. This is a star, right? Like if you get this star margin, this star by default, if you want to start, you have to for border. So if you really start border, so you do it. So if you get a margin and the space, yeah, and a margin. If you get a padding and the space, from the start to the border. So like when you just mix a random way, almost really makes sense. But when it comes to like photo layout, it makes sense because when we do the layout, the column layout, the margin border steps right. But when I'm photo layout, and the space from the icon itself to the border, when I'm photo layout, so this icon, the space from here to the icon in border, they call like padding. So again, here and here, this is padding left, this is padding right, padding top, padding bottom. What you can do, whatever amount you put here, now you put here back. Say padding for left and right. See the icon? You get left and right, and the box in the middle. So we put 10 here, 10 it there, 10 it there. We put 10 here back, 10 it there, 10 it there. But like, if you watch all the YouTube icon there, more space here and here, and up and down. So by default, since middle is 8, 8, I decide what to do. Here 8, here 8, up 4, down 4. So if we count to this 5, left and right, we say we get 8. Up and down, we say we get 4. So we reduce that to 4. Then border radius now. So I see how this thing called, no sharpening. this is still border radius because it's sharp. But this one not sharp like that. And then go border radius like how they curve rectangular edge. So border radius mostly will get 4. Ah, sorry, my undo back. Una no be the same. So now in sharp, una watch as I add the border radius how in the smooth. As I non smooth now at the edge. Now so for creating about select the icon, get our two layout, get the same padding left and right, get the same padding top and bottom. So any space from an object to another object and imaginary for add. When it's space from the object to a border, and padding that. So when you come to two layouts and padding within it. Any question? At least if you take also engineering workshop, if you don't understand this, commission with teacher last year. Adepa, Adepa. Yeah, yeah. Any question? What you don't understand? Like you don't need to understand what you allow today. You just need to know saying the work. Go now, what we call it for practice for user. The more you tangle user, the more you don't understand it. And so it's all out there. Even me, the first time I see her, I watch it together, like, not work. Person I actually can't begin a design, user, not begin understand. So we'll move on. Fine. So now so create this. The next one, and this for create. So this one, I dey call one woman from the crowd. Okadua. They write text when I ALL all. You give the text auto layout. They get a padding left and padding right. Left and right they be 8, up and down they be 4. Easy. Any woman can represent Nakabak, one can do one. I clap for her.
The text will be black.
Okay. No play. Now remember. Amen. Senior designer. Chief designer. Now they can do the next one. New to you. Huh? Don't do that. Shebura. Sebure. Uze. How you call name? Don't name so as I you call it. Apostle John. Brother Josh. Ima. Ima. Class rep. Now one can do also. Okay, and nominate one person. No, others not easy. Too hard. That's not easy. This I nominate. This. So this needs to you the calculate. The Garland creates this one. So you already calculate this. So the text are white, blah.
Nice. Bing.
Okay, after this we wrap up. Continue next week. Or we make a bounty. I used to have a class bounty.
You say the background for be waiting?
Yeah, just watch it.
Black?
They could make a bounty. There's some people that you put. Then I would say a bounty. Because I'm beginner bounty. What? I'm beginner. Yeah.
Nice. Ah, oh no, 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 no.
Now wait till international main days reach. So wait, una restaurant can actually add? You know, I just want to understand, like, when you actually the user and do an easy. So you see, so this one too easy. And let's another screenshot. No. How about to make the bounty that send the bounty link at Discord? When you Discord, you know you partake. So you only Discord before you left here, they download for the app, they join you. You don't miss out. Delete your WhatsApp. Yeah. Before that, you delete your phone, go and delete your WhatsApp. No. No, we only for discusser. Okay, look, how about to make bounty? From the first man to the fifth position, all at the same price. So the first man, just honorable mention again, now get $2. So much more people that attempt. That is unfair. That way, I make cast out nobody on my kidwa. But the first man they get $1, second man get $2, third man get $3, fourth man get $4, fifth person get $5. Then as well, like you will do what you will do best when you come first. You go know if you can fifth. You will can 50, you can 60, no get nothing. You go target for 50, can 60, what you do? No, like more just discuss. I'm gonna make like $2 so everybody they get the same thing. Yep. But YouTube, look because it's not just box. Yeah, not cheaping. Because most people are beginners. So, but what are the ones are winning a bounty? One, two. What else? So bounty are like assignments where they give. The main purpose is to make you go learn. Even though they put money there, most people they cater for the money. Take us say eat money. But we back we make the land like it will be taken for bit to make the land any land. But when you put money, and they actually can land and do the bounty. So in for. So like a part of this class the assignment there, we got like a whole bounty platform where you can go more open and now. People those right now they win more than $500 a bounty. And they call limbo. If no I'm a point, you post a pointer. They know themselves. You ever see this? No, anybody don't can but you don't ever can have before the bounty platform. You don't can it twice. You be able to do anyone, or you not be understand. So when you can since you're a designer now, assuming you're a designer, I say design now take this bounty plan for designers. So I hope you know. So the task, like Mark just said, the assignment, and this for do. They give full description of exactly what for do, judging criteria. First man they get $40. It's now almost 940 leons. But money. Second man they get $20, like 470 leons. Just imagine for just this one work. Work we do not actually use that for anything for say like make we ban and make we go print. And just for make una learn purposely. So now all just dey compete against myself, also against anybody from if somebody for come up from outside can compete back not bad. But mainly na for the community. So now they work on like the task and design an interactive credit score dashboard for Christech Foundation platform that allow users to view and manage their credit score, understand the factor. So when I say design a credit score dashboard for Christech Foundation platform, now what type of design this? UI design. If I want to flare, UI design something called a balance. Since a dashboard, so we make a like desktop onto mobile UI. So desktop screen, I just show a dashboard. A picture of a dashboard quick. Find this easy enough. That's what dashboard I look like. The kind of powerful application today. When this kind of thing you design. According to this context, what is in a say for use Figma, well I don't know sabi Figma. All man sabi fine. So now excuse no day. So just do all what you do and do the bounty. So bounty look like. So before you can add today, huh? Yeah, I think they for some time for us. October 22. And like 4 days left. I guess some people are making submit already. Every month, with $1,000 worth of bounty. Monthly. Monthly, every month. Until they continue. So I they learn, I say they apply a skill. So if you don't do this, you get like submission form up here, submission link. So man, they show me up. How much bounty they win? So fill all this. The submission attachment, if not a picture, if you design or something, or if not a link, like a Figma file, send the link. Make sure say you give access so that when they mark the bounty, you go see the file. If you send the file, you don't get access, you don't get zero, you don't fail. You cannot even see the work. Then university obviously. Oh, nice. Then the bounty name. So just begin search for that. You can get dashboard, right? Fine. So you know that this bounty you do. So now we will read back the bounty, read the criteria, and watch what you do. We know if you want nobody, you do well, we do well, they mark you give money. It says submission, submit to Figma. Oh, this one? No, no, Figma. We need. No, we dey send what you the design. We not give the assignment yet. We just say we make bounty. I don't know. Listen to bounty too. Hey, calm down. Don't make a it. Don't make a it. So if you fill all things submit, it's a bit of wallet address. Oh, so like you know how we don't do this file, right? And you press share. When they share, they ask for access, yeah. Without care, they just give you access, not only for able editor, just need for a share. So man even they give you view access. After that, copy the link. Anyone with the link. So here we are limited to only me. Able to only people invited. We not able to share. So just put anyone with the link. Then you copy the link. So now come to a bounty platform under a submission, you submit the link. So now so you submit. So even though you skill number creates, I encourage you now, maybe you can do bounties they want to. You go they fail, at least you go they learn. Just take the like assignments for this class here. Go watch dashboard. I like you know relate to the topic. Just try to design your own dashboard. Using now you don't have to do box, you have to do border radius, you have to write text, you do a sabi hotel around for pack things there. It's not actually art, just design. Ultimate UI design, a box you draw. Always we don't do that today. Now box is a way to draw. From start to finish. This na box. This logo na box. This hotel. Every time you click, you see box around that. Every time you click, you see box around that. So just where you go, the more you draw boxes, the more you get good at them. Then now you are in UX design. So for example, with the skill order used for design this and design this, you would do all the balance there. Because remember how to do the logo, put the icon, put the text in there. Do the same thing for this, put the icon, put the text in there. This is an icon. Oh. Go find icon when you get three dots. Just search for three dots this here, put an end on so this a box. And all of these are the engati and not teach it, but hopefully they're able to do a box, picture, right on top of the picture. Done. Yeah. You are smart. So, might just do it since everybody there is going to cheat. So draw the box. Then my box here border radius, eh? Small border radius. Counter the widgets. So must say you look for photo. Search your photo, you must see plugin we get photo. Um photos by free pick. Is that shout free pick? So if now this box you want to put the picture pa, select the box, scan out to the picture. Most you want picture of yeah begin, click on. Now the picture automatically can inside the box for you. See easy. Then I take text, write on top here. Give the text drop shadow, and so they make the card there. There are four cards there, so they make there. So like this not even need for be bounty, just need for be assignment or practice for the bounty what they say. We'll continue. Because some man I look right for this bounty. But when you do your work done, send the submission at Discord, at this group. Maybe one good Samaritan you give prize if you work fine. Not a bounty, you just send you. If you're not first timer, you just car, you're a newcomer. You do work, we see something we like, maybe they award you. You're a newcomer, eh? Eligible, you're a newcomer, you're a newcomer, you're a newcomer. Newcomer, newcomer. Is this not a newcomer? I don't know your name. Yes, ma. What's your name? Alima. Yes, ma. What's your name? Christy Alima. Fatima. Usman. Mark. Umar. Abu Karim. Emmanuel. Moses. Yes, sir. What's your name? James. James. Don't forget it. Shebura. Awa. So any question, class officially done though. Then another thing, around 5, you dey receive email like phone for asking for like a review for the class. Just tell what you like. If it will go fast or slow, if I'm going to take more breaks, or topics you like for where you want me to teach like next week. Because now like we need to teach design section like step by step, till we teach color, typography. No, we just take random thing and be like the workshop and all to stand upon this and stand alone. What you teach still only for relate to what you teach last week. But likely because you not done this, maybe next week, if you people do the assignment, maybe we continue with this. If I not do the assignment, we'll go to a new thing. Maybe you want to even get for teach, likely. So any question? So when you want to see the email, please reply. We need your feedback. Any question, suggestion? I think you open Figma, right? It asked for you so far. So simple. Yeah. Just imagine this used to be a stay all along. Today actually attempt for beginning designer. by the box. So you draw the box. Use use this widget, we call our photos by free pick. Like on our plugins, we can our plugins search for photos by free pick. This one, also the AI generates all these photos. You can search your own picture you want. Maybe you want African jollof. Oops, see I see the speller. Ah, I guess you know the the Discord. Hey, Leonongo. So yes, but the important thing, select the box which I want to put the image first. Then you can click the image you want to put it. I no more for member. So put on in a Discord. One, two, three. Then a Discord, right? What is man? Yeah, a Discord. Four.